Good morning student and welcome to heat transfer lab. Today we are going to perform experiment number 4. Our objective is to calculate the heat transfer coefficient and the thermal efficiency of the pin fin in unnatural convection. The apparatus required in this experiment is heat transfer in pin fin apparatus. The diagram of this apparatus is, this is a natural convection. So air is coming from this way and absorb the heat from the pin and move to upward direction. So we put 5 thermocouple to measure the temperature of fin. So T1, T2, T3 and T4. The formula which we used in this experiment, that Prandtl number is equal to mu Cp upon K. Second formula we used Grosov number is equal to d cube rho square g beta delta t upon mu square, and Nusselt number empirical correlation we used 0.53 into Grosov number into Prandtl number raised to the power 0.25, and Nusselt number can be expressed in this formula also, that HDE upon K. The D is the equivalent diameter of the duct, so H is calculated from this formula. The next formula is efficiency of the fin. We assume that the fin at the tip is insulated. So this formula we have already derived in the classroom. So that is hyperbolic tan H into M into L upon ML, and M is equal to under root HP upon KA. These are the formula, and we will calculate efficiency and heat transfer coefficient. Rest of the things we will discuss on the experimental setup. Now move to the experimental setup. Thank you.
Good morning student. Welcome to experimental setup of pin fin in natural convection. First of all, I am going to describe the whole apparatus, then specification, then control panel. Okay. First of all, a brass fin, a circular cross section in fitted across the long perpendicular duct. The other end, the duct is connected to the suction side of the blower, and the air flow past the fin perpendicular to the axis. One end of the fin projected outside the duct and is heated by the heater. The temperature at 5 points along the length of the fin, the air flow rate is measured, and orifice meter fitted on the delivery side of the blower. Okay. Now the specification of this setup is, the duct size is 140 into 100 mm. The diameter of the brass tube, this brass tube is 19.5 mm. The diameter and thickness of the brass flange, which is base on the fin, 75 into 10 mm, and length of the brass tube is 100 mm. The number of thermocouple are 5. This is the control panel. This is the main switch. This is the switch of electric heater. This is the voltage, ampere to calculate the rate of heat transfer. This is the temperature indicator to measure the temperature of the fin, like this is the T1 temperature, T2, this is T1 is 154, it near about, T2, T3, T4 and T5, right? This is the varic to increase or decrease the heat input to the system. This is the blower switch, switch on or off. When we need the force convection, then it's switch on, right? Now we need a natural convection, that's why it is a switch off. I will notice or hold the reading and calculate on next video. Thank you so much.
Okay, coming to the observation and calculation part of this experiment. We noticed the whole parameter from the experimental setup, like voltage, current, rate of heat transfer, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. These are the surface temperature of the fin. These are the parameters which we have used to solve the heat transfer coefficient and thermal efficiency of the pin fin. So first is average temperature of the fin, that is equal to 115 degrees Celsius, and ambient temperature of the air is equal to 15 degrees Celsius. The thermophysical property of air at 65 degrees Celsius is standard, that is specific heat at a constant pressure is equal to 1005 joule per kilogram degree Celsius. Density of air is equal to 0.909 kilogram per meter cube. Thermal conductivity of air is equal to 0.027. Dynamic viscosity 1.895 into 10 raised by minus 5, and thermal coefficient of volume expansion is equal to 2.577 into 10 raised by 3, and gravitational force is equal to 9.8. The cross section area of the fin is equal to pi by 4 d square, and perimeter of the fin is equal to pi d. The thermal conductivity of the brass is equal to 110 watt per meter degree Celsius, and the heat transfer coefficient which we have calculate in this experiment, that is 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius, and upon this value we will calculate this m, that is equal to under root hp upon KAC, that is the cross section area, is equal to 4.237. This quantity which we have already discussed in the classroom. The formula which we used, which we have already discussed in the initially, that Prandtl number is equal to mu Cp upon K, that is equal to 0.69. The value of this coming from this side, and the Groshof number is equal to 43093, that is showing that the flow is laminar. The Nusselt number, empirical correlation for this 0.53 into Groshof number into Prandtl raised to the power 0.25, that equal to 7. And Nusselt number can be calculated from this equation, but here we have objective is to calculate heat transfer coefficient. That heat transfer coefficient is equal to near about 10. So that 10 is written here.